Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 2020 70 plate MG ZS EV. This is the standard range, and it's the exclusive model, so it's got absolutely heaps of features. So in this video I'll just be showing you around the vehicle, covering some of those features and some condition items. So this is the alloy design on them, exclusive to the EV. And you can also see there's no wear and tear on that whatsoever, and all around the bottom of the vehicle's got a moulding around it, so there's not going to be any sort of stone chips or anything down there. Also got keyless entry, and got blind spot monitor in there. Onto our next alloy. Sorry if I'm being a little brisk here, but it has literally just started to rain. And then around the front, got some nice clear headlights, and there is LED daytime running lights. It's just this little top section up here. Onto a third of 4 alloys. Again, you can see very good condition. And you've also got the keyless entry on the passenger side as well. And just to finish off, there's all 4 alloys, all in good condition. Once you get onto the rear, you've got 3 parking sensors. Might seem a little bit of an odd number. They are somewhat redundant considering you've got parking camera just down there. So just pop the boot open. You can see inside the boot there's absolutely loads of room. Underneath the boot floor as well, you do get 3-pin charger within that bag there. You've also got an inflation kit and a warning triangle. And the boot floor can be dropped as well, but if you keep it on the slightly upper level, the seats will fold completely flat with it. So from there we'll jump into the back. So you can see you get this nice interior on the exclusive model, and you also get USB socket in the middle, and just open that up so you can see what type of connector it is. There we are. And from there we'll just jump into the front. This is where most of the features are. So you do get electric seats, but as you'd expect, electric windows all around, electric folding and adjustable wing mirrors. So once in, here's keyless start along with the keyless entry. I'll just give it a second. And there we are, and there's the mileage, 14,614. So onto the features inside then. So you do get all your controls for the little computer in front there. So if you press OK, that's on there. And just so you know as well, you can adjust your mileage based on what drive mode you're in. So if you're going to if you're going to Eco, it goes up to 160 there. So over on the left hand side of the wheel, you've got all your audio controls. Behind there, you've got automatic lights, also got automatic wipers. Just down here, you've got your cruise control stalk. You do also have a lane keep assist on the end and the set buttons on the end, and it's also adaptive. Over onto the centre screen, you get navigation. Just takes a second to load up, so while it's doing that, we'll just cover this. So you do get a full panoramic roof. It takes a second just to move all the way back, but it is quite a roof to do so with. And navigation's near enough loaded now, so we'll come back to the roof in a second. We'll hit accept there. So it's quite a nice simple design, they've not overcomplicated it. Quite nice if you don't want to be seeing too much going on other than where you're trying to head. Alongside sat nav, you've got plenty of ways to connect up your audio devices. So you can see there you've got DAB, FM, AM, and then you've got plenty of ways to connect them up, so that'll show up as soon, well, if I don't hit that there, but the little bit that says music, that'll then be a pressable button once something's connected. So last thing to cover with the screen, you do also have reverse camera. So I'll turn that back off before I go backwards. Also got air conditioning down here, so you just turn it on with that, and it is manual, but it's very straightforward. You've just got a temperature, fan speed, and then you can change your direction up here. And you've also got heated seats as well, so passenger and driver. Just turn that back off for a second. Moving down from there, you've got your drive mode, kinetic energy recovery system, so that's your regenerative braking. You've then got a little battery button that just pops up your range if you flick it. And you've got reverse neutral drive and parks the button on top. And then back onto the roof, so I'm not going to open it, as you can see all the rain on top, but the whole front section does open up and move over the back. And you can adjust it into small increments. So you can just see there, it's basically a little dial there. So I'll just turn it back before it does open, but you can open it one, or you can flick it all the way around and open all the way up. So if there is anything I've not covered in this video, or any extra info you want, don't hesitate to get in contact and we'll see what we can do to help. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, bye.